Hello my dear friends and welcome to another episode of Darko Tattoo. And welcome here in my new tattoo studio. It's not finished yet, there is a lot more work to do, but I'm on a good way. And now is after a long time another tattoo episode. And yeah, here are many boxes for some other unboxing videos. Anyway, my good friend and client and rapper Autumn the Green, he wants a nice tattoo. This one, it's Gengar, the ghost Pokemon, with his two other evolutions, pre-evolutions. And I told him, why not make something special from this? Something in another style. Maybe something with crystals and dots and fine line. And he said, yeah, why not? So let's do this. So the first step, print this out. And then trace those lines on a light table. So I finished all those lines, and now I'm making the special design with two reference pictures and just a little bit, crystal style, geometrical stuff. It has a little bit something mandala Maori style with dot work, and so it looks cool, it's special. And then, my dear friends, use the foil to wrap everything around to keep it nice and safe. Oh yeah. And then I'm using this silverback ink, and here I'm filling full black, here to the half, and here just some drops. The rest is with water to make some nice grays. Never forget to put on the gloves. Shave that thing. Disinfection. And some stencil stuff to put on the stencil. In this position I can make it parallel from the elbow to his hand, and it looks good. Now 3 liner and 5 shader. I think, the 3 liner is one of my favorites because you can make some very smooth lines. This is a nice Solnova Cheyenne machine. It's awesome, wireless, so when you put it down, the power goes down, and you put it up, the power goes up. It's very interesting. And so here I'm starting with some dot work around this little round head. It's like his aura, something ghost. And then everything with 3 liner. Now making the lines everywhere. I'm using just little power, not so much power, so you don't hurt the skin too much, and you can make nice and smooth lines. Gengar is a dual type ghost poison. It's introduced in Generation 1 Pokemon. It evolves from Hunter when traded, and it's the final form of Gastly. And those are the favorite Pokemons of my friend Renato. I met him in the Swiss army. He's a rapper, Swiss rapper, and he made a little rap for me. Listen to this, guys, listen.
Yeah. O zu dem T. Darko Tattoo. Ja, was läuft heute gibt's? 3 neue Pokémon, lass stechen für einen guten Preis. Für dich wär das ein Monatslohn, die Haut wird dekoriert. Sonst wär das Ganze jetzt monoton zum Darko in Glattpark. Bruder, sag was ab, eure Tattoos noch Standard, wo ich mir nicht mal gratis mach. So follow him on his side, more than just in style. Gehst du zum anderen, bist gesegnet mit Blindheit. Oder mit Maschinen in bestechender Form. Darko, bist ready, was haben wir noch vor? Einnahmen von Zürich, jetzt können ganze Länder kommen. Anne liegen Nadelstich dazu, Lemon Soda. Nadeln auf und ab wie ein Achterbahn Wodan. Dein Pain ist so hard, jeder andere fällt ins Koma. Noch ein Videoschnitt am Schreibtisch beim Baby Yoda. Yoda, yeah.
Yeah, buddy, sounds awesome. And yeah, he's rapping about getting a tattoo from me in Glattpark. This is the place where my tattoo studio is. Yes, and just a little tip, my dear friends, never forget to put on some Vaseline when you are tattooing, so you don't hurt the skin so much and the needle goes very well in the skin. Oh yeah. And now I'm making some little dot style, dot work, bzz, 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 bzz. A lot of little dots, my dear friends. Oh yeah. And very smoothly shading with everything with the 3 round liner. Huh. Filling in some different patterns in this geometrical crystal stuff, and I think it looks cool. Hello, quick break, my dear friends. I received some special gifts from my client. Look at this special Pokemon trainer cup, and I think those are cards in it, Pokemon cards. So what would a Darko tattoo episode be without a little unboxing? Let's go! A mug. This is a mug, not a cup. Gotta catch 'em all, Pokemon, gotta catch 'em all. Yeah, buddy. Thank you very much. Awesome mug. Now I can drink coffee like a real Pokemon trader. So let's open this one here and see what's inside. I never had one of those. Huh. Yeah. Nice little water Pokemon from the newer generations. Grookey, little monkey, so cute. And of course 2 packs of Pokemon cards. Okie dokie, let's unbox this. Onyx, Staryu, Pikachu with the yellow cheeks, Dodo, these are the old ones from the first edition. They are not first edition, but oh yeah, buddy, Mew. Yes, wow. Oh, Charizard, oh my goodness. Oh yeah, buddy. 2 awesome cards in one set. Amazing. What do you think, Baby Yoda? Nice, nice. So, let's get the other one. What is here? Ah, you are excited too, Baby Yoda, huh? Tinto, Krabby, Mintico, Silibora, Silicobra, Oranguru. Okay, that's a rare one, I think. With a little glitter effect. Energy card. Hitmonchan. Not rare. Linoon. Okay, so 3 rare cards. Awesome! Thank you very much, my dear friend Autumn the Grey. Check out his awesome music, the rapper Mr. Renato.
This was so cute. I like presents and gifts. So now I'm shading the body, and I'm shading also with 3 round liner, moving the needle left to right, up and down, and just softly touching the skin with less power on the machine, so you have this pointy little dot effect, and that's something I like. Yeah, I like this little pointy style. Points and dots, points and dots. So you don't have to make 1 million points, pointing. You make the same movement like you shade. When you make the shading with a 9 round magnum or so, you're moving it the same way, like when you want to do this dot style with the 3 round liner. And this is very interesting. And now enjoy the video how I'm stitching and the music in the background. And now, my dear friends, the time has come for the 5 round shader. And here I'm making just a little bit the outlines with the 5 round shader, so it looks more smooth to me. And yeah, just a little bit of corrections in the shadings and filling some little crystals there, here and there, and yeah, the eyes, and so just for some little details in the end. And yeah, buddy, that's it. It took me about 2.5 hours. Yeah. What do you think, guys? Write in the comments below.
What do you think? Are you satisfied?
Fucking amazing! Darko Tattoo, one of the best tattoo artists in the entire world. It's amazing.
Yoo-hoo!
Yeah, man.
And that's it for today, my dear friends. If you enjoyed this episode, then leave a like, thumbs up, and write me in the comment below what do you think. Should I do more videos like this while I'm tattooing or not? And don't forget to subscribe and click on the ringing bell. See you next time, my dear friends. Peace.